Hello learners, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video we will cover infinitive phrase. There is a separate playlist of phrases in English language on my channel and its link is available in the description box. So without any further ado or delay, let's jump right into the video. Before moving on to explain what an infinitive phrase is, first let us understand what is an infinitive. So basically, an infinitive is a non finite verb. When a verb is a non finite verb, what does that mean? It means that whenever it is put into sentence, it does not have any effect in its form with the change of its subject and verb. Okay, so that is a non finite verb. So therefore infinitive is a kind of a non finite verb and its structure is 2 plus verbs first form. So verbs first form or the first form of the verb is the root form of the verb or the base form of the word. Okay, and you add 2 plus that form of verb and it is a kind of verbal, it looks like a verb but it functions as a noun, adjective and an adverb. So basically, an infinitive is a non finite verb and its verbal structure is 2 plus verbs first form and it functions as a noun, adjective, and adverb. If you see these examples here, I want to work hard. I want to work hard. So here 2 plus verbs first form, work plus 2, that is an infinitive. To work is an infinitive. The next example is I wanted to become a teacher. I wanted to become a teacher. So here to become. Okay, so the first form of verb, okay, which is used with two plus verbs first form, that is an infinitive. So infinitive is a non finite verb and its form is 2 plus verbs first form. Infinitive phrase, it starts with an infinitive and includes modifiers. So, an infinitive phrase is such a group of words which starts with an infinitive, means it starts with 2 plus verbs first form, right? First form, base form of the verb. Okay, and it includes some modifiers, and these modifiers are the words like adjectives and nouns. It can act like a noun, adjective, or adverb. So its effect could be acting as a noun, an adjective, or it can act as an adverb also. So basically a phrase is a group of words which does not have a finite verb and a subject. An infinitive phrase is a group of words which starts with 2 plus verbs first form. It includes modifiers, it does not have a subject and a finite verb, right? And it can act like a noun, adjective, or it can act like an adverb also. If you see these examples here, he spoke at length to show off his skills of oratory. So I told you an infinitive phrase starts with 2 plus verbs first form, to show. To show off his skills of oratory is an infinitive phrase here, and it is like it is acting as an adverb because it is describing what? It is describing the work spoke, so it is describing the verb. The infinitive phrase here is describing the verb spoke, which is there in the clause. Okay, he spoke at length is a clause here, and the verb speak is described by an infinitive phrase to show off his skills of oratory. Next example is I want to own a mansion here. So to own a mansion, right, is acting as a noun, mansion, right? I use a fork to eat my meals. So what do you use to eat your meals? A fork. So it is describing the meals. Whose meals? My meals. So that's an adjective. So yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of the videos that I upload. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Keep learning and keep growing.